Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Pabbly Form Builder leads to Salesforce account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Pabbly Form Builder is a form building software application and Salesforce is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that you have created a form. A form can be a contact form, a lead form, or a sign up form, registration form, or any kind of form. So you have created a form using your Pabbly Form Builder account and you have shared that form with your customers to get the form filled, or you have embedded that form on a website. Now you want that whenever any of the customer fills your contact form that you have embedded on the website, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new contact to your Salesforce CRM account. For this, we need to create a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Salesforce. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular automation, we are using Pabbly Form Builder to create the forms. So in place of Pabbly Form Builder, you can also use Google Forms, Jot Form, Paper Form, or any other form building software application. And we are creating the contacts in the Salesforce CRM software application. So in place of Salesforce, you can also use HubSpot CRM, Insightly CRM, Zoho CRM, or any other CRM software application. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pabbly Form Builder to Salesforce Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your Pabbly Form Builder form, automatically his details should be added to your Salesforce account. So open this trigger window. Choose the application name as Pabbly Form Builder. Select the trigger event as new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Pabbly Form Builder account to capture the responses. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard. Here, I have already created some forms, that is enrollment form, application form, recruitment form. So we are going to access this contact form where I have 0 submissions. I'm just going to edit this form. And in this particular form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer like his first name, last name, email address and the mobile number. So if you want to add some more fields, you can select the fields from here and you can add it to the form as per your requirement. And once the form is completed or it is saved, you have to just click on this share button. The form, here you can find the form link. So you can share this particular link with your customers to get the form filled, or you can find the other links also by which you can embed this form on our website. Okay. So we have embed sliding form, embed full form or pop-up form. So you can select the form as per your requirement. Okay. Let's move back to the form. And now we are going to create an integration between this particular contact form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a customer fills the form, automatically his details are captured in Pabbly Connect. So to create an integration, we are going to just click on this integration tab. And here we are going to add a new webhook. For that, just click on this add webhook button. Here we have to paste the webbook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on Save. And here we can see the webbook is saved. Now we have to move back to Pabbly Connect and we have to just click on Recapture Webbook Response button. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on Yes. And now here we can see that it is waiting for the webbook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll move back to the form, that is my contact form. Select the form name from here. Make sure before creating webbook over here, you have selected your form. Okay. So I have selected my form as contact form. Now we are going to access the form from here itself by clicking on this preview button. The form will get open in a new tab. And let us fill the details over here. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address. Okay, I'll just make the S capital over here. Email address as Adam Smith 223@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number and click on Submit. Your message submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customer through the form submission are captured over here. First name as Adam, his last name as Smith, email address as well as the mobile number. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new lead or a new contact should get added to your Salesforce account. For that, come to this action window, choose the application name as Salesforce. Select the action event as Create Contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Salesforce. Now as I am already logged into my Salesforce account, it is asking for the access. Let's click on Allow and give away the access over here. Authorization successful, and now the Salesforce account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Salesforce account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Salesforce account. Now here we have to give the name, the last name, first name and other details of the customer. So we have already got the details of the customer through the form submission, that is your Pabbly Form Builder contact form submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. Here we have to map the last name. So the last name was Smith. Here the first name is required. First name is Adam. We don't have the address details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Okay, let's scroll down. Here we have to map the phone number. So let us map the phone number, and here the email address needs to be mapped. So let us map the email address also. So as we are not having the other details, I'm just leaving it as blank. If you are having any of the details, you can map it over here. Okay, here you can select the lead source also. So I'm selecting it as web itself and click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact or a new lead is added to your Salesforce account. Let's check it. Here we have to move to the contact section. Okay, and here we can find that Adam Smith is added as a new contact over here. I'll just open it and show it to you. Okay, here we can find the name as Adam Smith. Here we can find his mobile number. Here we can find his email address. And in this way we can see that a new contact is successfully added. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just go to the form, and that is the contact form of my Pabbly Form Builder account, and I'm just going to open the form in a new tab, and we'll be filling the details on the name of some other customer this time. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya224@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number and click on Submit. Your message submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Salesforce account. We have to move back to the contact section. And here we can see that Shikha Arya is added as a new contact over here. And here we can find her mobile number as well as the email address. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details of the customer, automatically a new contact was created into your Salesforce account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.